Ron here from the Fair Plumber. Here we are removing a lead line. So the water goes through this lead line. So your family is drinking that water which goes through this lead line. All right, no good. Can cause all kinds of health issues. Here I am trying to loosen up the cork, which is basically a valve on the water main that shuts the water off, so I can cut this section of lead line off. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to come back over here and we're going to remove that cork and install a sleeve. And that sleeve will prevent the water from leaking out. Then we're going to drill a new hole about a couple of feet away. All right, so here's my guy. He's cleaning the pipe. That's a tool that scrapes the bottom side of the pipe. It gets all the scale off of the pipe. Okay, he's cleaning it, getting it prepped. Shortly thereafter, what we're going to do is we're going to get a pipe wrench, and then what we're going to do is unscrew that valve, or better known as a cork. And once we unscrew that cork, we're going to get a sleeve. So you see, we have to do a very good job cleaning that in order for this to work properly. So we're attaching this sleeve, stainless steel sleeve, and we're going to back out the cork now. And as soon as the cork comes out, we're going to slide that sleeve over, and we're going to tighten up that sleeve. So that's going to be the actual repair. Okay. So we do it the proper way. Some companies just go ahead and put a cap on that valve. So now we are prepping the new tapping machine. This tapping machine allows you to install a valve on a new sleeve, and then once that valve is in place, we tap the line. We drill actually into that pipe while it's live, and you will see this. So there's the new cork or the valve on the sleeve. We're checking the correct angle, which should be about 45 degrees or so. We're tightening up that new sleeve, tightening up the valve of the cork, and here comes a tapping machine. That's an 1.5-inch drill. We're going to connect it to the cork. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get, we call this a pony. Basically, it's a pipe threading machine, and it allows us to drill into that pipe. We used to do it by hand, but you get a little bit older, we use technology to take care of this. So now the water's coming out. That means we penetrated the pipe. We shut that cork off, and then we pull the drill back, and there it is. So we're ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to temporarily tape this up because we have to come back and run the copper line.